Two important pieces of our DNA here at Catalyst Church are relationships and connections. And beginning January 1st, 2023, we are going to begin using a new software through the Church Center app. And you play a very, very important role in making this happen. On your Apple or Android device, download the Church Center app. Once you have that downloaded, you can get started by searching for Catalyst Church in Greensboro, North Carolina. Make sure to click on the logo which is seen here in the app. Once you have done that, you can put your phone number in, and once you have put your phone number in, you will receive a code. Enter that code, and then you can edit your login settings and anything else that needs to be situated in order to fully access the app. And once you're in there, we want to encourage you to do a couple of things. First, in your settings, make sure that all of your personal information is correct. If there's any information missing, we want you to put that information in there as well. Also, make sure that everyone in your household is correct so that we know who is who on our end, the administrative side of the app. Once you've got everything situated, you can check out connection groups, you can give, and you can see other things that are happening within Catalyst Church. But maybe you already have enough apps on your cell phone as is. Well, don't worry. You can go to catalystnc.churchcenter.com to do the same exact process. If you have any questions or comments or need any clarification on anything within this video, don't hesitate to reach out to me at richie@catalystchurch.org.